Hi, this is Bill, and I'm going to do a quick review of the Solar D772 servo that I purchased recently at Hobby Parts. And this is a standard size servo, and I went ahead and installed this in one of my Exceed crawlers, and it's going to be in the vehicle over here on the right. And I'm going to compare that with the stock servo that actually came with the Exceed crawler here on the left. And first thing I want to do is demonstrate the speed of the servo, which is really about the same. And what I did is I went ahead and bound my radio to both crawlers so that way the control works the same, and you can see that the speed is about the same. Now, one thing that is a little unique about the servo is that it does support a high voltage, and right now the BEC that I'm using in both crawlers is the standard 4.8 volt BEC. What I've done here is I've created a custom harness that grabs its 8.4 volts or 7.4, nominal, directly from the the balance port of the battery, and then the yellow servo wire gets its signal from the end to the receiver. So the idea here is I'm bypass the internal BEC and draw the battery directly from the battery itself. So what I'm going to do here is disconnect the servo from the receiver, plug it into my custom harness port, then plug that into it. And now what I've done on the crawler on the right is now I bypassed the internal BEC, and now we can go ahead and do a speed test here. Now you can see the servo on the right is just a little bit faster. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to demonstrate is the additional torque that is available from the Solar servo, which is still on the vehicle on the right, and then the standard servo is on the left here. And with the power going directly off the LiPo pack, it's supposed to have 411 ounces per square inch. And then the best thing I can do here is demonstrate how the servo on the right seems to lift the wheel a little bit higher than the standard servo on the left. So it seems to be just a tad bit more torque, and that seems to be a slight improvement, as best that I can see. So my opinion of the Solar D772 servo seems to work as advertised, and I'm very satisfied with the extra speed and extra torque that you get out of it. And for I think about $22, that seems like a hard deal to beat. So for me, I definitely would recommend the servo, and very pleased with it. Thanks for watching.